Alright guys, I've had this Falcon sedan for a bit over a year. I've never really done any maintenance on it. I've been pretty slack with it all. But I was out at a mate's the other night and we thought we'd check the oil on it. And it was only just registering on the bottom of the stick. Yeah, it is daily driven. It does about 100 kilometers a day, roughly, about 100 kilometers a day. As you can see, it's a bit rough, different coloured panels on the front, a few dents here and there, a bit of rust popping out down here. But you know, it goes pretty good. Got someone scraped the badge off there. This side's a bit worse, door's damaged. This guard's completely different colour. Wrong wheels, G6E wheels, FG G6E wheels. Front bar's obviously different colour as well. The bonnet's a little bit damaged. But yeah, this one's got the Boss 260, 4 valve, 5.4. Hasn't let me down. You can see it's all pretty putrid. So we're going to give it an oil change. It's way overdue. I wonder how many litres are going to come out of it. Let's have a look. Alright, we're just going to undo this bolt here. Let's see if I can crack it. Pretty tight. God, usually they're hot tight for the first little bit and then they just finger tight the rest of the way, but no, this one has to be tight the whole way. It's a bit annoying. But we'll get it off in a sec. God, it's like it's been bloody cross-threaded or something. It never leaks, so hopefully it goes back on and doesn't leak again. There it is, finally loose. I'll keep going with this anyway. And I've just been out, so it's pretty hot. I'll just let that fall in there. Or can I grab it? It's very hot. Oh, there we go, got it. Oh, it's hot. Now I'll just let that drain for a minute. Alright, so I've got the oil out of the engine. How many litres come out of it? Let's have a look. Where's the markings on the inside? So we've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, about 3 litres. Let's come out of this. It was meant to be 5, so it was down 2 litres. About 2 litres, I think. Yeah, and she's pretty black. Look at that, completely black. So, well overdue. Smells like crap. Don't think it would have been doing much good for the engine. Alright, so the new oil going in it is some Newlon, which I have been using for years when I used to surface my cars all the time, regularly. So I've got some Newlon Apex Plus full synthetic 530. Apparently it's easy pour, so we'll see. Should I try and find a funnel, or should I just try and pour it in?
Yeah.
Alright, so pouring it in, easy pour. I don't think I've spilt any, or a little bit. Yeah, I have actually spilt a little bit. I'll pour most of it in, and then I'm going to have to check it down on flat ground somewhere, because it is on a bit of a hill here. Now let's see how much I've poured in. What have we got left? Still got a bit more to go. And here's Mum. Alright, that will probably do it for now, and we'll check it later.
Sure, that's not
No, don't worry about it now. Alright, so oil's changed. Got 5 litres in it. Now I'm just going to give it a quick degrees because it's pretty disgusting. Mainly, go away. Mainly dusty. But yeah, we're going to give it a bit of a clean. Try not to get too much in the coil pack area. With the battery, power steering reservoir, all the front grille, all the hoses. I'm just going to get everything so it looks brand new. It's actually already looking better. All the dirt's just sort of running off. Alright, I think that's probably enough. I'll actually give the wheels a quick one, get all this crap off these wheels. Due for tyres as well, so I'm going to have to order some tyres for it. Get some tyres fitted. Mainly the left side for some reason. Obviously it needs a bit of a wheel alignment. Alright, just going to hose it all off now. And probably take it for a drive. Make sure it's all working still. Oh, look at all that water going straight in the intake pipe. Oh no. looking pretty good. Let's hold off this wheel. It's crap come off the wheels. Around down the driveway. It's pretty disgusting. Alright. Let's do a quick one on the back. That was a oh, that was dirty. Oh, crap coming off that. Yeah. A bit strange, the tyres on this side actually aren't too bad. On the other side, they're stuck. Alright, we're just going for a quick drive in the XR8. Making sure it's not going to misfire and stuff because there's coils and whatever being wet. Up the road, see how it feels. Probably pull over and I'll check the oil level when we're on flat ground. Probably have a bit more grunt because it hasn't had an oil change in such a long time. So far. Let's get up on here, up to the highway, and we'll give it a bit. Forward a couple of times and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Does it feel faster?
It smells more.
It smells more?
Yeah.
What do you mean? I can't smell anything. That's fire from outside. That's smoke.
Oh.
It's not the car. Let's go up here a bit more, probably turn around, and go back home. Actually, we need to check the oil, don't we?
Yeah.
I'll go up a little bit more and I'll quickly check the oil. And go home. And this is a 6-speed auto, ZF 6-speed, for anyone wondering. Yeah. Watch the road, mate. Go a little bit here, I'll slow down. No, we're doing 20 kilometers an hour. I'm going to floor it in back to first gear. I think it's a bit quicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have got the filter off at the moment because it's absolutely putrid.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've just checked the oil. It is down probably half a litre. So when I get back home I can put that in and probably leave it for another year. But yeah, it does feel like it's got a bit more power. It's probably mainly because I've got no filter on it.
It does feel faster.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, without the filter.